Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, location enabled, and permission granted so results are accurate. Open your mapping app or web map that supports drawing. Once open, choose the circle or draw tool and tap where you want the center. Drag or enter a numeric radius in meters or kilometers. Make sure to set the map zoom to include the entire circle, because a small zoom can hide nearby results. This first step places the search area for everything that follows. Once the circle is placed, refine what you search for by applying filters: category, price range, rating, or date. Type a focused query or enable the points of interest layer to see matching items inside the circle. The app should limit results to the polygon. If results are sparse, increase the radius or shift the center to cover denser areas. Conversely, shrink the radius to remove irrelevant matches. Make sure the filter logic is set to and versus, or so you get precise listings. To finish, review the list and map pins within your circle and save or export the selected items. Many tools let you bookmark the circle with its parameters. Share the map link or export CSV if you need offline use. If results look wrong, troubleshoot. Recalibrate your device GPS, toggle location permission, or reload map tiles to clear cache. If pins still misalign, double-check coordinate input for the center and redraw the circle. Small errors shift the entire.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.